Alright, whatever everybody, what's good YouTube? In this video, I'm just basically showing off my new The Simpsons Converse. And if you hear a buzzing noise in the video, like in the background, don't worry, that's just them working outside. Alright, so you can see the box is real different. It's got the Simpsons color on it, a little bit of artwork, and the two holes that's usually on a regular average Converse box is, this is gone as well. There's actually about like 5 pairs of these when I last checked, and I got these. One's a Bart Simpson on them. Of course, they look better when they're laced up. And this is taken off. And that's basically it.